স্বাগতম জনাইছো আৰ কে আছাম ব্লগছ চেনেলৰ তৰফৰ পৰা ছাত্ৰছাত্ৰীসকল 2021 চনত অনুষ্ঠিত হ'বলগীয়া হায়াৰ ছেকেণ্ডাৰী ছেকেণ্ড ইয়াৰ ফাইনেল এক্সামৰ কাৰণে নতুন সিলেবাস অনুসৰি ইংলিছৰ 20টা সাবজেক্টৰ পৰা 10টা মোস্ট ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কমন কুৱেশ্যন লৈ আহিছো আৰু প্ৰশ্নকেইটা এই ভিডিঅ'ত আলোচনা কৰিম। তোমালোকে স্কিপ নকৰাকৈ প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈকে চাই থাকিবা আৰু যদি মোৰ চেনেলটো এতিয়ালৈকে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই তেনেহ'লে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ পাহৰি নাযাবা। এনেধৰণৰ ভিডিঅ' কৰি পোৱাৰ কাৰণে এতিয়া হওক ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। প্ৰথম প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল হাউ ডিড দ্য টিচানী দুচি এণ্ড দ্য টিম ৰিচ এণ্টাৰ্কটিকা। টিচানী দুচি আৰু তেওঁৰ টিমবিলাক কেনেকৈ এণ্টাৰ্কটিকাত উপস্থিত হৈছিল? অৰ হাউ ডিড দ্য নেৰেটৰ ৰিচ এণ্টাৰ্কটিকা। লিখকে কেনেকৈ এণ্টাৰ্কটিকাত উপস্থিত হৈছিল? আনচাৰটো হ'ল দি নেৰেটৰ বৰ্ডেড। লিখকে উঠিছিল এ ৰাছিয়ান ৰিচাৰ্চ শ্বিপ, এখন ৰাছিয়াৰ অনুসন্ধানকাৰী জাহাজ। দি একাডেমিক চুকালস্কি। একাডেমিক চুকালস্কি আছিল জাহাজখনৰ নাম। এণ্ড ৱাজ হিডিং টুৱাৰ্ডছ এণ্টাৰ্কটিকা, আৰু যিটো এণ্টাৰ্কটিকা ফালে গৈ আছিল। হিজ জাৰ্ণি বিগান। তেওঁৰ যাত্ৰাটো আৰম্ভ হৈছিল 13.09 ডিগ্ৰীজ নৰ্থ অফ দি ইকুৱেটৰ ইন মাদ্ৰাছ। মাদ্ৰাছৰ ভূমধ্য ৰেখাৰ 13.0 ডিগ্ৰী উত্তৰত। He had to cross 9 time zones, 6 checkpoints, 3 bodies of water, and at least 3 ecosphere. 9টা সময়মণ্ডল, 6টা তালাচী কেন্দ্ৰ আৰু 3টা জলক্ষেত্ৰ আৰু 3টা পৰিৱেশ ক্ষেত্ৰ তেওঁ পাৰ কৰিছে। 2 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল হাউ ডু জিঅ'গ্ৰাফিকেল ফেনোমেনা হেল্প আছ টু ন' এবাউট দ্য হিষ্ট্ৰী অফ humankind. Answer hole geographical phenomena such as the knowledge of existence of a southern supercontinent Gondwana give us idea about the global as it appeared 650 million years ago. Human had not arrived on the global science and the climate was warmer, hosting a variety of flora and fauna. When the dinosaurs were wiped out, the landmass was forced to separate into countries, shaping the global mass as we know it today. 3 number প্রশ্নটি হল why is Antarctica the perfect place to study changes in the environment? Answer হল according to the narrator, one should go to the Antarctica to understand the Earth's present, past and future, because it is the only place in the world which has never sustained a human population. Therefore, it remains relatively pristine in this respect. It holds in its ice cores of 500,000-year-old carbon records. We also can study climate changes caused by global warming and the depletion of the ozone layer. Question 4. How is Antarctica a crucial element in the debate on climate change? Answer. Climate change is one of the most hotly debated environmental issues of our time. What will happen if the Antarctic ice sheet melted entirely? Will the Gulf Stream ocean current be disrupted? Will it be the end of the world as we know it? Antarctic is the place where we can study the effect of these environmental changes. 5 number প্রশ্নটি হল describe the narrator's experience of walking on the water, or describe the narrator's Tisani Dusi's experience of walking on the water. Answer. The narrator considers the walk on the Antarctica Ocean as her best experience. They had a meter-thick ice as pack under their feet. Below it there was 180 meters of living, breathing salt water. In the periphery, crevators cells were stretching and sunning themselves on sheets of floating ice. They seemed like stray dogs, joining themselves under the shade of a banyan tree. Question 6. Describe two important features of Antarctica as described in the lesson Journey to the End of the Earth. Answer. There are two important features of Antarctica. Firstly, it has a simple ecosystem. Secondly, it lacks biodiversity. Due to these factors, it is the perfect place to study how little changes in the environment can have big consequences. 8 নম্বর প্রশ্নটি হল, how did the narrator Tisane Dusi feel when he reached Antarctica, or what was the first emotion of the narrator on reaching Antarctica, or what did the writer feel on facing Antarctica's expansive white landscape and the uninterrupted blue horizon. Answer. The narrator's first emotion on facing Antarctica's expansive white landscape and uninterrupted blue horizon was relief, but soon he was filled with wonder at its vastness and isolation. He wondered India and Antarctica 650 million years ago were part of the same landmass. Question 8. What are the indications for the future of humankind? Answer. The future of humankind is pretty much at risk with the increase in population and the unabated burning of fossil fuel, in which has now created a blanket of carbon dioxide around the world. This is slowly increasing the average global temperature, resulting in the most debated environment problem of climate change. Question 9. What was Gondwana? How was it like 650 million years ago? Answer. About 650 million years ago, a giant amalgamated southern supercontinent existed. It was called Gondwana. It centered roughly around the present-day Antarctica. Humans had not arrived yet, and its climate was much warmer. After thriving for 500 million years, Gondwana broke into separate countries as they exist today. Question 10. Why has Antarctica remained relatively pristine? Answer. Antarctica is the only place in the world which has never sustained a human population. Therefore, it has remained relatively pristine.